Male chest waxing with titanium blue thin film pebble wax. Place the protective collar over the warmer opening, then insert a removable metal insert pot. Pour the titanium blue pebbles as needed into the can. Close the warmer lid to allow the wax to heat and turn the switch to the on position. Set the temperature dial to high and heat the wax for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. When it is ready, the wax should have a thick, caramel-like consistency. You can have an island of unmelted wax in the center as long as the wax along the sides has the correct consistency. Use the scraper bar to remove excess wax and minimize dripping. The wax should cling to the applicator. If it runs off the applicator, the wax is too hot. Lower the heat to adjust the temperature. Check if the wax temperature is comfortable by applying a small amount of wax to the inside of your wrist. Apply Satin Cleanser to a gauze sponge and thoroughly cleanse the chest and stomach area. Ensure the area is dry before waxing. Start waxing in small sections, starting at the top, outer corner of the chest area. Using a large applicator, apply a thin layer of wax in the direction of hair growth, then smooth it back over in the opposite direction to encapsulate the hair. For a better grip when removing wax, leave a thicker edge at the end of the wax. To ensure the wax has fully adhered to all the hairs, press down on the wax with your fingertips. Remove the wax quickly against hair growth parallel to the skin. Continue to apply wax toward the center of the chest area. Allow wax to cool on skin until the wax hardens. You can use the end of the applicator to help lift the wax tab for removal. Apply pressure with your hand to alleviate any discomfort. Hard wax can be applied to the same area up to 2 to 3 times if needed. Pinpoint bleeding is common during waxing. It typically occurs when it's a client's first time waxing. Gently wipe away any blood using a cotton round soaked in satin cleanser and allowed to dry. After the second or third time waxing, the client should not experience as much bleeding. To wax the stomach area, apply wax from the chest down to the navel. Avoid getting wax in the belly button by placing a small waxing strip just over it and apply the wax over the waxing strip. You can then fold over the strip and use it as your pull tab to remove the wax. Continue to wax the stomach in small sections. Using your non-dominant hand, pull the skin taut to help you apply wax more evenly in a controlled manner. Avoid waxing sensitive areas such as the nipple. Using a small applicator, wax around the nipple area in a semicircle. Continue to wax any remaining hairs. Using a small applicator, dip the applicator into the wax and gather a small ball of wax. Insert the applicator into the belly button and hold the applicator in place to wait for the wax to harden. Once the applicator can stand on its own, it can be removed. Lean the applicator down toward the belt area and remove the applicator. Don't pull the applicator up in a completely vertical motion. Apply Satin Cool to a gauze sponge and gently massage onto skin to help reduce discomfort. Apply Satin Release Wax Residue Remover Oil on a gauze sponge and massage onto skin to remove any wax residue and help soothe and moisturize the skin. Proper post-wax care helps reduce irritation and keeps the skin looking its best between appointments. Titanium Blue Pebble Wax effectively removes coarse chest hair while remaining gentle on the skin.